going on, everybody? This is PG Dinos, and today we're doing our first unboxing video. In this box, we have a few different things. We have, I believe, let's see, 3 different CollectA figures and 1 Safari LTD figure. So the first figure we have is the Safari LTD 2018 Wintethereum. That's pretty cool. The next one is the CollectA 2018 Drinking Mantellisaurus. That's sick. Here we have the CollectA 2018 Skirimimus. And the last one, personally, I think this is the best one. The CollectA 2018 Brontosaurus. Let's go. This here is the Safari LTD 2018 Wintethereum, and the card reads, Wintethereum's unique skull featured 6 bony knobs. Their function is currently unknown. Which is pretty cool. You can see that right there. And that's really awesome. And yeah, I will definitely be making a review on this soon. The next creature we have is the Skirimimus. Not sure how hard. Oh, there we go. So the CollectA Skirimimus. Whatever. Here's the CollectA 2018 Skirimimus. And it looks gorgeous. I will be making a review on this pretty soon. And that will mark the start of the 2018 CollectA figures. So yeah, I'm pretty late on all this because I just started up on being a dinosaur prehistoric collector again. So yeah, this will be coming out pretty soon. And it's the Mantellisaurus. So let's get this out of the package. Cut this off. Okay. Now here is the beautiful CollectA 2018 Drinking Mantellisaurus. Now this looks amazing. And I just love how CollectA's figures are kind of like small. Because in my honest opinion, I really hate like really big figures. But this is just like really minuscule and really cute. It looks great in my opinion. This will be coming out in a review. And the last one we have is the CollectA 2018 Brontosaurus. Now, I think there have only been like 2 or 3 videos on this, and not very many people have this, so this is amazing. Let's get this guy out of the package. So there's some tape here. You can cut that. Okay. Here we go. Look at this gorgeous figure. It looks amazing. Oh my god. This is awesome, especially since Brontosaurus just came back and is now an official genus again. And it looks amazing. This is just so cool. All the detail with these scales and the spikes on the back. It looks great. You guys will definitely be getting a review on this very soon. And this will look amazing. So you guys will be getting 3 CollectA reviews pretty soon, and it'll be awesome. So yeah, overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. If you want to get your own, you guys can go to minizoo.com. I will link these guys down in the description. By the way, this is not sponsored. I'm just saying it because. But yeah, this is great, and they are pretty reliable. But yeah, I hope to see you guys again. You guys will be getting 4 reviews pretty soon, along with the other reviews I have planned for Safari LTD. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys again. Bye!